Here we discuss about the commutation relation between Lx, Ly and Lz. Here we find the commutation relation between Lx, Ly and Lz, where Lx is the x component angular momentum operator, y component angular momentum operator, that is Ly, and z component angular momentum operator, that is Lz. We find earlier the value of Lx operator, Ly and Lz. Firstly, we find the commutation relation between Lx and Ly. Hence, we write the commutation bracket of Lx Ly, and using the definition of the commutation bracket, firstly we expand it and it is Lx Ly minus Ly Lx. Here we know Lx x component angular momentum operator, its value is y pz minus z py, and Ly, that value you know, that value is here z px minus x pz. Firstly, we find the product of the two operator Lx Ly by putting the value of Lx Ly, and then we find Ly Lx. Now we simplify the equation 1. Firstly, we find Lx Ly. Now Lx Ly, put the value here, y pz minus z py into another bracket the value of Ly, z px minus x pz. Here pz is the z component momentum operator, y component momentum operator, and x component momentum operator. If we substitute these values in this equation, we rewrite the equation. Firstly, we simplify the first bracket and then second bracket. If we write the first bracket, then what is the value you should get? Pz is minus ih cross dab of dab z, and what is py? Minus ih cross dab of dab y. Hence minus ih cross firstly take common for first bracket. Similarly, the second bracket, px minus ih cross dab of dab x, pz minus ih cross dab of dab z. Here also we take the minus ih cross outside and the remaining term we write into bracket. That equation is minus ih cross y dab of dab z minus z dab of dab y into second bracket minus ih cross z dab of dab x minus x dab of dab z. Here minus ih cross into minus ih cross take outside, it becomes I square h cross square. Since minus minus will become plus. Again I square is minus 1. Therefore simply we write minus h cross square into this two bracket, y dab of dab z minus z dab of dab y into z dab of dab x minus x dab of dab z. Now simplify this bracket. First term in the first bracket multiplied to the second bracket. Similarly, second term in the first bracket multiplied to the same bracket. Hence, we simplifying in that manner, we write the terms y dab of dab z into z dab of dab x. Y minus y dab of dab z, since minus sign is here, minus y dab of dab z into x dab of dab z. Now the first term multiplied to the second bracket, we get these two terms. Similarly, z minus z dab of dab y multiplied to the second bracket, the first term is minus z dab of dab y into z dab of dab x. Minus minus it become plus. We write the term minus z dab of dab y into x dab of dab z. Now we simplify the differentiation of dab of dab z of z dab of dab x using the multiplication rule for differentiation and simplify. Now for the first term, here dab of dab z of z dab of dab x. How we differentiate? Firstly differentiate z. second term constant. Secondly, differentiate second term, keep first term constant. In that manner, we get simplify each and every term in the bracket and we write directly the term minus h cross square into. Now how we simplify this term and which term we get? Differentiation of z term with respect to z is 1. Therefore, simply we write y dab of x. Secondly, z keep constant and differentiate dab of x with respect to z. Therefore, this term is becomes yz dab square by dab z dab x. Similarly, the second term. Here, differentiation of x term with respect to z is 0. Therefore, this term becomes 0. Only we write keep the x term constant and differentiate dab of z with respect to z. Therefore, what is the term you get? Minus yx dab square by dab z square. Third term, once we differentiate, here we write in the same manner. Differentiation of z term with respect to y is again 0. Z term constant and differentiate only the second term. Therefore, it is minus z square by dab y dab x. Last term plus zx, since differentiation of x term with respect to y is 0. Differentiate only dab z with respect to y. Therefore, zx is as it is into dab square by dab y dab z. This is the expansion of Lx Ly operator and we write the equation number 3. Similarly, we find the next value Ly Lx. Only we interchange the two brackets and simplify in the same manner. What are the terms you get? Similarly, find the value of Ly Lx. We put the value Ly Lx since Ly is zpx minus xpz and value of Lx is ypz minus zpy. Only we interchange the two brackets and we write zpx minus xpz into ypz minus zpy. Here also we put the value of px operator minus I h cross dab of x, pz minus I h cross dab of z, similarly pz and py minus I h cross dab of y. Substitute all the values in that equation in the same manner and find what is the next term you get. Ly Lx equal to, by putting the value of px, py, pz operators and for first bracket we take the minus I h cross outside, remaining term is z dab of x minus x dab of z. Similarly, the second bracket also minus I h cross into bracket y dab of z minus z dab of y. Here minus I h cross into minus I h cross take outside the multiplication of these two terms as we find in the earlier term, it is minus h cross square. Remaining term is z dab of x minus x dab of z into y dab of z minus z dab of y. Now simplify these two brackets in the same manner earlier and we write directly minus h cross into bracket z dab of x into y dab of z minus z dab of x into z dab of y. Third term we write here minus x dab of z multiplied to the second bracket and write x dab of z into y dab of z minus minus plus x dab of z into z dab of y. Since this term multiplied to two terms, we get this two term. Now actual differentiation, if we simplify, we write directly the term minus h cross square into bracket. Now differentiation of dab of x of y dab of x, that term we differentiate and we get this y take constant. Differentiation of the second term only we write since differentiation of second term is dab square dab x dab z. Here differentiation of y with respect to x is 0. hence only we get the first term. Similarly, the second term z into z square into dava square dava x dava y. In the same manner, similarly the third term differentiate with respect to z of y of dava z. Now what is the simplification? Differentiation of y with respect to z is 0. And in the second case, y take constant, only differentiate second term. Therefore, we write the minus xy dava square by dava z square plus x dava of dava y. Why we write the dava of dava y only? Since differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. Hence, we write the x dava of dava y. But differentiation of dava y, this term with respect to z is xz dava square by dava z dava y. Now we know the equation 3 is the expansion of Lx Ly term and equation 4 is the expansion of Ly Lx. Therefore, the commutation bracket, if we simplify this equation 4 is subtracted from the equation 3, we get the commutation bracket Lx Ly equal to minus h cross square into bracket y dava of dava x minus x dava of dava y. We again simplify, since the minus h sign we can cancel here, since first second term we take first, automatically minus sign is outside of the bracket, it is plus h cross square into bracket x dava of dava y minus y dava of dava x. Here h cross square plus h cross square means what here? Minus IH cross into IH cross. If you write the minus IH cross into IH cross means I square minus it will be plus. Therefore, we write the H cross square we expand for our simplification, IH cross into minus IH cross into bracketed term is as it is. Here, see minus IH cross into bracketed term. This is the expansion of LZ, Z component angular momentum operator, and therefore the value we write Lx Ly commutation bracket of Lx operator and Ly operator equal to IH cross Lz, since Lz operator is defined as minus IH cross into bracket x dava of dava y minus y dava of dava x, and that is the result of the commutation bracket Lx Ly. That value is IH cross Lz. In the same manner, we find the other commutation bracket for the two terms Ly, Lz. This Ly, Lz, that value becomes equal to just see Lx, Ly, Lz. If we write it in the cyclic order, that is the resultant term is IH cross Lz. Similarly, Ly, Lz, if we find the value, we get IH cross Lx. Similarly, Lz, Lx. That value is IH cross Ly. Now see here, if we write the cyclic term, that is Lx, Ly and Lz. If we rotate from Lx to Ly, the term is positive. Ly to Lz, Ly to Lz positive. You can write these terms just like, and Z to X again positive term. Hence, combination bracket Lx, Ly equal to IH cross Lz. Similarly, Ly, Lz is IH cross Lx and Lz, Lx is IH cross Ly. But if we interchange the order of the two operator in that commutation bracket, then we get different result. That rule we see earlier, if we change the order of the two operator, the resulting bracket is minus of that bracket. Hence, Lx, Ly, if we interchange the order Ly, Lx, what is the value? Minus of Lx, Ly. Hence, and Lx, Ly value we know, that is IH cross Lz. Hence, what is the value of Ly, Lx you get? Ly, Lx, that value is minus IH cross Lz. Similarly, if we interchange Lz first operator and Ly is second, then what is the result you get according to the first rule? If we interchange the order of the two operator Lz, Ly, that is equal to minus of Ly, Lz. and Ly Lz value is IH cross Lx. Therefore, the value is minus IH cross Lx. Similarly, Lx Lz. Lx Lz, since Lz Lx is in the cyclic order, if we interchange the order of the two operator, if we write first is Lx, then Lz, then what is its expansion? Minus of Lz Lx, and Lz Lx value is IH cross Ly. Hence we write minus IH cross Ly. Now these are the different commutation relations between x component angular momentum operator, y component angular momentum operator, and z component angular momentum operator. Now remember all the commutation brackets and what is its result? If we change the order of the two operator, the result is negative.